Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our region viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now and stay updated. Kai Cenat debuts as VTuber with Iron Mouse's surprise gift on Mafiathon second stream. Kai Cenat made a surprise VTuber debut with a custom avatar gifted by Iron Mouse during his Mafiathon 2 stream. On 29 November, Twitch streamer Kai Cenat was taken by surprise when Iron Mouse, one of the most beloved VTubers on the platform, appeared on his Mafiathon 2 stream with an unaccepted gift, a custom VTuber avatar of Cenat himself. The reveal came after Sen was guided to a theater within his complex to meet a mystery guest. To his astonishment, Iron Mouse appeared on screen to congratulate him on his successful Subathon, a live streaming marathon where fans help creators reach subscriber milestones. After a few brief technical hiccups, Sand made his way off screen to enter a portal to Iron Mouse's room where his new digital avatar awaited. The moment was full of excitement and Sennett immediately began to test the limits of his new avatar by dancing and experimenting with his digital limbs. Kai Sennett's VTuber journey begins. Iron Mouse, who has been a prominent figure in the VTuber community, took a moment to explain the effort that went into creating Senna's avatar. I have to say we did a lot of legwork for your model, he said as Senna adjusted to his new digital body. Fans watching could not help but laugh as Senna struggled to maintain balance, adding to the comedic nature of this segment. Iron Mouse also shared a deeply personal speech explaining her journey into VTubing. I started VTubing because I was lonely. I lived my life isolated due to my medical condition and it's been very tough. Now I am at a point where I can support my family and take care of myself. This had touching the hearts of viewers while Iron Mouse spoke and Sennett continued to play around with his new VTuber avatar, humorously struggling with its movements while praising Iron Mouse for her contribution to the community. Chat, come on, carve it up for Iron Mouse, he urged, showing his admiration for her. Iron Mouse's influence on Kai Cenat and streaming career. Cenat did not hold back on how much Iron Mouse has inspired his own streaming journey. You inspire me to do what I'm doing for raising a lot of money for a good cause, he said, referencing his decision to donate a portion of the proceeds from Mafiathon to and charity. Sennett also took the opportunity to express his respect for the VTuber community, which is often downplayed in mainstream streaming. I know a lot of people downplay what you do, but I want to go ahead and give you a flower because you are trying something new, and acknowledged offering Iron Mouse a heartfelt tribute for her impact on the streaming and VTubing world. Mafiathon second and recording breaking subscriptions. As of now, Cent has surpassed over 7 7 lakh subscribers during the Mafiathon 2 events, solidifying his position as the most subscribed Twitch streamer by a wide margin. This new milestone is a significant increase from his previous record of 3 lakh, which was broken in October 2024 by Iron Mouse, who reached 326 to 252 subscribers. In a touching response to Sennett breaking her record earlier this month, Iron Mouse predicated that Sennett might hit the 1 million subscriber mark before Mafiathon 2 ended. While that target seems unlikely with less than 24 hours remaining in the event, the incredible growth of both Sand and Iron Mouse serves as a testament to the power of the Twitch and VTuber communities. With the event nearing its conclusion, the collaboration between Iron Mouse and Kai Sand has shown just how dynamic and sportive the Twitch and VTuber spaces have become, leaving fans eagerly anticipating more unaccepted surprises in the future. Catch your daily close of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.